Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Welcome to Little Genius Lab, where science meets wonder. Step 1. Place a flashlight or phone light on a table. Step 2. Put a small toy, block, or object in front of the light. Step 3. Move the object closer to the light and watch the shadow grow bigger. Step 4. Move it farther away and see the shadow become smaller. Step 5. Try different shapes and objects. Each one makes a unique shadow. Observation. Shadows change size and shape based on how close or far the object is from the light. Islamic reminder, Allah says, "Have you not seen how your Lord extends the shadow? Just as light creates shadows, Allah created day and night with perfect balance and wisdom." Wisdom. Knowledge is a trust. Share it for good, never for harm. Science is full of surprises. Even the simplest things teach us great lessons. Every small discovery brings us closer to understanding Allah's amazing creation. This is your Little Genius Lab. Like, subscribe, and share. What object made the coolest shadow shape? Comment your ideas below.